If your Rheem furnace is showing error code 13, it means the system detected a flame during startup, but that flame went out while the furnace was running. This is called a flame loss condition, and it triggers an automatic safety shutdown to stop gas flow and prevent dangerous buildup inside your home. Under normal operation, the igniter lights the burners, and the flame sensor confirms a steady flame. If the sensor stops detecting flame, the control board immediately shuts off the gas. The most common reason for this error is a dirty flame sensor. Over time, carbon buildup coats the metal rod, preventing it from properly sensing the flame. Before doing anything, turn off the furnace and shut off power at the breaker. Locate the flame sensor near the burner assembly. Carefully remove it and clean it with fine grit sandpaper or steel wool to remove buildup. Reinstall it securely. Next, check that the gas valve is fully open and that there are no kinks or restrictions in the gas line. Also inspect the vent pipe and confirm the inducer motor is running properly to maintain airflow. After completing these checks, reset the furnace by turning the breaker off for about 3 minutes, then restoring power. If the code returns, contact a licensed HVAC technician for further diagnosis.